Think chicken nugget. Now, flip the script. Crispy, golden, battered white fish. Ready to rock your menu. Meet the crispy, battered sauceable nuggets from Trident Seafoods. 100% Wild Alaska Pollock. Performs like a chicken nugget, but with a leaner and more sustainable protein source. Fast to fry, easy to love, born to sauce. Craving sweet heat with a Szechuan snap? Say less. Protein bowls with smoky chipotle lime sizzle? Oh yeah. Buffalo, but so much better than basic hot wings? Boom! One nugget, endless potential. Works across the line, plates like a pro, and fuels the kind of flavor that keeps them coming back. Crispy, battered, sauceable. Wild Alaska Pollock nuggets from Trident Seafoods. Get ready to stand out. For more information, contact a Trident Seafood sales representative today.